Yeah, hello guys, this is Flaming Dev Studios, and today going to record a tutorial for Python programming. And today is lesson 1, and it's also the first program on our channel. Let's get started.
We hope you all enjoy, and and this is my friend.
First things first, take an introduction. What is Python about? And Python almost works on any platforms, and including maybe Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and maybe iOS or Ubuntu or Linux, everything. And it has a really easy syntax. We recommend you to start with Python as the first programming language you learn, and it's a interpreted language, and which caused it to run slightly slower than the compiled language as maybe C++ and Java. First, we teach you how to install Python onto your computer. First, open your favorite browser, and my browser is Microsoft Edge, and you can use Chrome or Safari, anything. And we are demonstrating using the Windows. Pick python.org and click download and the yellow button, download Python 3.9.2. Or if you use macOS or other OS, it will automatically pop up here for your operating system, and it will detect your operating system. So just press this yellow button. Okay, you can see it's downloaded here. You can click it to open, which with macOS you can use a different way to install, but this is Windows, so you'll first demonstrate this. And just click install, wait it for install, just click yes all the way. And while installing Python, you can install another application, is the IDE, which is the Integrated Development Environment, and we encourage to use PyCharm, and another one, the Visual Studio Code. Yeah, these two are very nice. Actually, Visual Studio Code is not an IDE, it's a code editor, but it's also very good. So we can first download PyCharm. This one successful, then close it. We can first download PyCharm and its community version. Okay,
Normally in Python, any interpreter works. It's just that these are the better ones. Even you can use the command prompt to run your Python code, but just PyCharm has the best stuff of all these applications. It can help you find out bugs, can help you code faster. So just use PyCharm.
click next and click next. Okay, here you can choose by yourself. If you want a desktop shortcut, you can press this one, but this one, associations.py files, will automatically open in PyCharm, I think. Then press next and then install. Okay, wait it to install. Okay, then you can click run, and your PyCharm IDE is successfully installed. Okay, and confirm and continue, and then don't send. Okay, so this is your user interface, and it's quite identical with macOS PyCharm. And okay, we can add a new project. Just choose your favorite path, and my path is on here, is in here. And the virtual environment, just keep it as this one, and it's normal. And okay, create. Okay, this one, close it. Wait it to create a virtual environment for the Python program to run. Okay, we'll right click this Python project and then add a new Python file. Name it whatever you want, and maybe we'll name it. How should we name it?
Hello world.
Okay, the basic stuff. Hello world. Think we can code a hello world program for beginners, and this is the very, very basic stuff, and it's very historical program. Print is for printing the text onto your screen and add a parentheses, and then double quote or a single quote also works. So just click this and hello world. Only enter the string you want to print inside the quotes. Just take a look here. Bear in mind you need to change it as this hello world.py. So right click on this and just click run. Okay, successfully printed onto your screen, which is hello world. With Python you can create also a huge amount of projects, and it's very suitable for back-end web development, and you can also do scripting with it, and also software development and mathematical computations. And with all programming language, you first need to learn is how to create a variable. And to create a variable, just name it first. Maybe I'll create a variable as x and then equals. And actually you can also write for variables without spaces between the equals sign and other string or integers or something. Okay, then we need to give a value to it. Maybe you give x as 100. Okay, if you only click the integers is numbers without decimal points, and it's just a normal number, so it's 100, and then we can try to print it out. Remember, with your brackets, the parentheses, and then put your x variable inside, and without anything, without quotes or without anything, just put your name, put your variable name inside. Okay, press run again. Okay, we can see it successfully prints out 100. Okay, and we can change this value to change the final result. So we can maybe put a string inside. The string means the text, text inside a variable, and the string is usually quoted with double quotes or single quote, but I will use double quote here and maybe say hello again, hello, and then you can print x, which successfully prints out hello. Okay, you can also put math formulas inside variables, like maybe 100 plus maybe 900. Okay, it will turns out to be 1000, and we can try to print it out if it's really 1000. Okay, successfully prints out 1000 here. Okay, that's basic stuff about variables. And then we can do something more, I think.
Now, before that, I have some basic reminders. First, you cannot name a variable with any numbers in it, for example, x6 or 6x. It will remind you that it will be bugged. And also, if you print something without the double quotes, like for example, you only print it with print a, it will automatically treat that a as a variable. And if there's nothing, you have not set a as a variable, then it will bug it out.
And with the variable names, if you want to name several phrases together, maybe with a space, with a space, that is illegal in Python. And if you want to name, for example, maybe name a variable as hello world, and it should be a space between it, and you can definitely write it together like this, but it's not very good. And the official creator of Python actually suggested to add this symbol behind it, I think, and that's already very good for it. And just bear in mind, do not use any space inside a variable. Okay, that's how it. And you can also make it as hello world, and it's just quite stupid to write hello world twice in here, but just make a easy demonstration. Next, we'll teach some how to put your own comments inside Python. And with other languages, maybe their comments are 2 slashes, or maybe slashes and a asterisk or something. And that's actually not the way in Python. And in Python, you should use this one. This is called the hashtag, I think. If actually, I don't know what's the official name of it, but just
It's called hashtag.
and you can name maybe Bob wrote this code, and print maybe hello, yeah, and then the interpreter won't print out this line of code because this is already commented, and you see, okay, only hello is printed out. And you can, if you want to put multi-line comments, and you need to use 3 double quotes, and you can put lots of lines of comments. For example, maybe just randomly type something inside, and the interpreter also won't read the string inside 3 double quotes. And let's try. Okay, still prints out hello. Okay, that's basically it for this lesson, and I hope you can learn Python with this program. And if you like it, then subscribe to our channel, and remember to press a like on our videos. And Bob, would
Hit the
you mind
bell
to do
and
something? Yeah.
yeah, turn on the notifications. And if you want to learn anything new, just put it in the comment section. We will take a look.
And bye bye.
Bye.